Now let's begin with types of energy cord and their meaning. Let's understand what kind of cord actually means what. Now the first cord is rope cord. Rope like rassi wala cord. What it feels like, a thick rope tying you to someone or a past situation. How it affects you, keeps you thinking about a person, making it hard to move on. When you're continuously thinking about some person and you're not able to move on, maybe you're angry, frustration, you're going to understand through the color of the cord. Okay? That means these are toxic cord. How it forms from long-term relationship, childhood bond, strong इमोशनल अटैचमेंट हो सकता है ये आपके किसी फ्रेंड के साथ हो सकता है किसी के साथ आपका ब्रेकअप हुआ था उनके साथ हो सकता है आपके किसी कजिन के साथ हो राइट द नेक्स्ट कॉर्ड इज मेटल कॉर्ड what it feels like, hard and heavy, as if something is stuck deep inside you, right? लोहे के जैसा. How it affects you, keep you tied to past traumas, heartbreak, betrayal, or deep emotional wound. How it forms from abandonment, emotional abuse, or painful relationship. Now, when you sit on a meditative position, you channel yourself, you're going to get the glimpse of the chord. किस तरह का chord है वो आपको समझ में आएगा, and that's how you're going to understand okay, this is toxic chord, but is this karmic? No, this is not karmic. Like rope cord or metal cord is there. It was formed from long-term relationship, abandonment, emotional abuse, but these are not karmic cords. Now, how do I know which are karmic cords? When the cords are fleshy or slimy cord. Now, this cord is like when a child is born in mother's womb, the umbilical cord, fleshy and sticky, those are toxic karmic connection. What it feels like, sticky and draining, making you feeling trapped. How it affects you usually comes from family, in-laws, parents, partner, kids, or even ex-partner. How it forms from negative past life connection or unfinished karmic lesson. Okay, so you will understand जब आप बैठे हो, you're meditating, you could see fleshy cords attached to your maybe the person you want to cut cord with, and you see slimy cords attached. You will understand these are karmic cord, toxic karmic cord. Next is watery cord, emotionally unstable and restless. Now this kind of people makes you feel sometimes very happy and sometimes very drained. They give you some sort of emotional wound. How it feels like soft flowing but make you feel restless. How it affects you causes mood swing, emotional ups and down, and short term but intense attachment. You're going to feel intense attachment, but आपको कभी अच्छा लगेगा कभी बुरा लगेगा. So I used to have a friend with whom I used to feel sometimes good, sometimes bad. कभी मुझे सही लगता था, कभी मुझे लगता है is she trying to take benefit out of me? So that time when I did cord cutting, I saw watery cord and I understood that these are quick emotional connection, friendship or relationship that drains me fast. And now, yes, I do not have anything for her. I give a lot of blessing to her, but I did truly cord cutting with her because she was my best friend. Now we have relation, but it is just like that, not very close. Now comes the bleeding cord. This is another kind of a cord that has deep wound, open wound that refuses to heal. Unlike other energetic cord, it doesn't just drain your energy, it keeps attracting more pain, suffering, and toxic experience in your life. So you're going to experience a lot of pain. It keeps reopening even after healing. किसी के साथ आपका बहुत गंदा रिलेशन है, the person keeps on hurting you, you will see bleeding cord. एक cord है जिसमें आपको खून दिखाई दे रहा है. You might feel better for a while, but the same pain resurfaces. It takes 4 to 5 times of deep healing before fully cut. आपको पहले हीलिंग देना है, फिर आप फुल्ली कट करेंगे. Continuously cut these cords for 21 days when you see someone connecting with you with bleeding cord. If attracts more pain, toxicity, and suffering into your life, it makes you feel trapped in past trauma, heartbreak, or karmic lesson. You will understand that ये जो cord है इसको मुझे कट करना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. I'm going to give you task which is going to help you to cut cord with any kind of patterns, any kind of person. Now you are going to dedicatedly fill the worksheet, whatever I'm going to give you, because after every session, after you are learning the symbols and the mantras, you're going to practice it. Without practicing, you're not going to come out of it, right? So very small practice. I'm giving you assignment to do. You need to do the assignment. Okay. Now, let's talk about thorny cord and snake cord. Again, these are karmic cords. Thorny cords are like just like cactus has thorn, वैसे आपको एक cord दिखाई देगा, wherein you will see thorns. Healing needs multiple healing session, forgiveness work, and emotional protection. Because these are the kind of cords that cause you a lot of pain. Snake cord, a slippery karmic cord, touching snake skin, slimy, scaly, and uncomfortable. These are the cords attached with the person who is manipulative. People who are manipulative attracts manipulative people, repeat toxic pattern, causes karmic entanglement from past life. So these are again the kind of cords you need to give a lot of healing before doing cord cutting. Now, what do I mean that by that? You need to keep practicing the cord cutting and the symbols that I'm going to teach you, because you're going to learn step by step how you are going to implement the symbols that you're going to learn. Healing requires deep karmic release, cord cutting, and strong energetic protection. Okay, so far we have learned about the types of cord cutting. Next, we are going to learn about how energetic leak happens, uh, what are the energetic anatomy, where exactly it hits, and everything. See you in the next session. See you in the next session.